There are two main types of disability: Social Security Disability Insurance, commonly referred to as SSD, and Supplemental Security Income, commonly known as SSI. Both are forms of disability, and one must prove the same level of disability in order to be granted these benefits. However, there are differences between these two programs. SSD is a type of disability one pays into through their taxes from working. When you pay in your Social Security taxes, you're not only paying into retirement, but you're also paying into the disability program. To put this in simple terms, this money from your taxes buys you coverage for disability through the federal government in the form of SSD. You build up work credits that transform into coverage through this program. Once you stop working at a level where you're building up work credits, those credits do begin to dwindle and they will eventually expire. So you only have a limited amount of coverage once you cease working. This is why it is so important to apply as soon as possible once you stop working due to your disabilities. SSI is a form of disability for children or for those who have not built enough work credits to be covered for SSD. However, there are additional hurdles for eligibility with this benefit. To be eligible for SSI, one's household income must be under a certain amount. If you have a household income above this threshold or are receiving assistance through other individuals or programs, then Social Security could find that you are not entitled to the SSI benefit. During your initial consultation, our team will determine whether SSI would be an appropriate benefit for you to apply for based on your particular situation. Often, we will have clients apply for both benefit types. This covers these bases and protects the client in the case of an issue with their insured status with SSD or lack of full eligibility with SSI.